Hi, I'm Frank Kane. Before teaching over 1 million students on Udemy, I spent 9 years at Amazon as a senior engineer and senior manager, working on some of the company's biggest AI and machine learning systems. I've seen firsthand how powerful these tools can be and how confusing they can seem at first. In this course, we cut through that confusion. We explain how today's AI systems evolved, why they suddenly got so good, and what large language models like ChatGPT and Claude are actually doing behind the scenes. With clear analogies, simple examples, and absolutely no jargon.
Hi, I'm Carl Nistor, software engineer and instructor for over 30 years with experience at Siemens, SAP, and Apple, and more than 400,000 students taught worldwide. I'll guide you through the fundamentals of modern AI, what it truly is, why it behaves the way it does, and how prediction drives everything from conversation to creativity. You'll learn the strengths of AI, the limitations, and how to recognize myths and misconceptions that cause so much confusion today. Everything is designed to be beginner-friendly, even if this is your very first AI course. Whether it's strange terms like context window, tokens, or parameters, or the mystery of why AI sometimes feels brilliant and other times completely lost, this course will finally make modern AI clear, practical, and intuitive.
And we'll get hands-on. You'll see how to use AI for writing, research, planning, brainstorming, learning, and everyday problem solving. We'll show you how to craft clear prompts, fix mistakes, iterate on outputs, and build simple AI workflows that actually save you time. Our goal is for you to walk away with a solid foundation you can build on for the rest of your AI journey, whether it's business, creativity, education, or more advanced technical topics.
Frank and I designed this course to help you understand AI with confidence, to separate fact from hype, to use these tools effectively, and to prepare you for the more advanced courses in our AI Foundation series. So, if you're ready to truly understand modern AI, we'll see you inside the course.